Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create professional-looking animal rescue videos using AI. I'll show you step-by-step how to make these videos. The best part? It's 100% free. No need to spend money, just bring your creativity and effort. But here's the thing, if you miss even one step, you might get stuck. So watch till the end because I'll share all the tools, tricks, and techniques to create an amazing AI-generated animal rescue video. Let's get started. Before we get started, take a moment to check out this channel. It creates these exact types of videos using AI, and in no time at all. Pretty cool, right? That's exactly what we'll be making together today. Now, let's break it down into simple steps. First, we need a good idea. How do we come up with unique animal rescue stories? I'll show you a quick way to generate ideas. Once we have the idea, we need to turn it into an AI prompt. Not just any prompt, a detailed one that helps us create stunning visuals. I'll also show you where to find great prompts and how to tweak them for better results. Next, we'll create realistic AI images using a free tool. This tool has a model called FLUX that gives amazing results. No paid software needed, just follow the steps. Once we have the images, it's time to animate them. I'll show you an easy AI animation tool. With just a few clicks, our still images will become smooth animations. And by the way, tool is free. Finally, editing is key. A well-edited video makes all the difference. I'll guide you on arranging clips, adding emotional background music, and keeping transitions smooth. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully completed AI-generated animal rescue video, and trust me, it'll look amazing. Please note that the images, clips, or videos I will create in this tutorial are just samples. The content might not be as polished or professional, as I'm working quickly to provide you with guidance. When you create your videos, you'll have the opportunity to invest more time and effort, making it more professional. This tutorial is to give you a basic roadmap and guide. Please focus on following the steps in the roadmap provided rather than judging the samples shown here. Remember, these are just examples to help you understand the process. Focus on following the roadmap and steps I provide. Let's start with step 1. The first step is getting the right idea and crafting the perfect prompts. And ChatGPT is your best friend. To get ideas, ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me a unique animal rescue story idea with an emotional and happy ending." Within seconds, you'll have engaging story ideas ready to go. For AI image prompts, ask ChatGPT. Write a detailed AI image prompt for a baby deer stuck in a muddy swamp looking scared while a rescue team is trying to save it. And boom, ChatGPT will give you a well-structured prompt to use in an AI image generator. Now that we have our idea and prompts ready, let's move to step 2, generating AI images. Let's walk through generating AI images using PicLumen, which is a powerful free AI image generator. Follow these steps carefully. Go to PicLumen's website and make account. After making account, click Create to start generating images. In the prompt box, paste the prompt from ChatGPT. Now choose the best AI model. Go with FLUX. It's perfect for making your visuals look sharp and lifelike. Next, select the image ratio. Landscape, 16:9 for long-form videos. And for portrait, 9:16 for short-form videos. Adjust the number of images you want to generate. Click Generate. And within seconds, your AI image will be ready. Repeat this process for all your images. Once they're ready, it's time to animate them. Let's move to the next step, animating AI images with Runway ML. Now that we have our AI-generated images, it's time to turn them into a video. We'll use Runway ML, an amazing AI animation tool. Runway ML offers limited free credits, but don't worry. I've shared a secret trick in the video description to use it for free unlimited times. I also upload a video on Runway ML that how you can use this for free. Link is in video description. Here's how to convert images to video in Runway ML. Go to Runway ML's website and log in, or sign up. Click Generative and select Image to Video. Upload your AI images one at a time. Next, for the video prompt, go to ChatGPT. Type I want to animate images, so give me prompts for all images. After this, ChatGPT give you all the prompts that you need to animated images into videos. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Next, adjust the time duration for smooth animations. Click Generate, and in seconds, your image will turn into a stunning video. Repeat this process for all videos. Now that we have our animated videos, the next step is editing to make them professional and engaging. Before editing, we need to add background sound and sound effects to make the video more engaging. To find the perfect background sound, ask ChatGPT. I need background sound for my AI-generated video. Create a prompt for AI music generation. ChatGPT will generate a prompt for you. Use an AI music generator like Suno AI or Pop AI. Copy the prompt, paste it into the generator, choose the mood, cinematic, dramatic, etc., and click Generate. Your background music is ready. For sound effects, use tools like Pop AI or websites like freesound.com. For example, if your video has a wolf, generate a wolf howl. If there's rain, add a rain sound effect. Download the sound effects and save them for editing. Now, let's move to the final step, video editing. Now that we have everything ready, the videos, background music, and sound effects, it's time to bring them together. Open your editing software. I recommend CapCut because it's easy to use and has great effects. Import all files, the AI-generated videos, background music and sound effects, arrange them in the timeline, align videos with music, and trim unnecessary parts. Add transitions, adjust brightness, contrast, and colors, and include text overlays if needed. Once everything looks perfect, click Export, choose the best quality 1080p or 4K, and your video is ready. Now you can upload and share your video. So, which animal would you love to see in a rescue video? Is it a cute puppy, a brave lion, or maybe a tiny turtle? Let us know in the comments below. Tell us your favorite animal. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing, helpful content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll never miss out on our creative tutorials and videos. See you in the next one. Stay creative and keep inspiring us with your ideas. See you in the next video. Stay creative, stay inspired. Goodbye.